Welcome all. Today we're going to dive into another fascinating topic about AI. Before we get started, make sure to subscribe to the channel. And now, let's jump into today's topic. The journey of artificial intelligence from Turing to the 21st century. Artificial intelligence, a term that sparks visions of the future. Robots think like humans, machines learn from experience, and systems that redefine how we interact with the world. But this story isn't just about machines. It's about people, brilliant minds who dare to imagine. Our story begins in the 1930s with a young British logician named Alan Turing. Turing, a visionary in his time, wasn't just focused on solving mathematical puzzles. He wanted to understand intelligence, what makes a mind think. He introduced the idea of the Turing Machine, a concept that would lay the foundation for the modern computer. Turing's thoughts weren't limited by the machines of his time. He proposed that a machine could simulate any human cognitive process. After World War II, Turing continued his exploration, sparking a movement that would lead to the birth of artificial intelligence as a field. In 1956, the term artificial intelligence was coined by John McCarthy at the historic Dartmouth Conference. McCarthy, along with other early pioneers like Marvin Minsky, saw AI not just as a theory but as a science. They dreamed of machines that could replicate human reasoning, a vision that seemed closer with the development of programs that could play chess, solve mathematical problems, and engage in conversations. Rudimentary by today's standards, but groundbreaking at the time. The 1960s and 70s were an exciting time. AI research saw explosive growth. Projects were funded, and the idea of intelligent machines became mainstream. This was the era of symbolic AI, where scientists believed intelligence could be broken down into rules, mathematical instructions that a machine could follow to replicate human thinking. But every revolution has its setbacks. By the 1980s, AI faced what many called the AI winter. Funding dried up, expectations weren't met, and the grand dreams of intelligent machines seemed to crumble. The dream wasn't dead, it was just on pause. AI needed to evolve. As the 1990s approached, a new approach emerged: machine learning. Instead of hard-coding intelligence through rules, what if machines could learn from data, just like humans? With advancements in computing power, machine learning algorithms started showing results. Systems could now recognize patterns, from reading handwriting to identifying faces in photos. AI wasn't just mimicking human thought anymore, it was starting to learn. As we entered the 21st century, AI went from science fiction to reality. From self-driving cars to voice-activated assistants, artificial intelligence has now integrated into our daily lives. The world watched as AI defeated chess champions, created art, and even helped in medical diagnosis. But here's the most intriguing part. The journey of artificial intelligence is still unfolding. From Turing's early questions about the nature of intelligence to the breakthroughs of machine learning and deep learning, AI continues to push the boundaries of what is possible. And now, as we look toward the future, we have to ask, what will AI accomplish next? Could it outpace human creativity? Could it solve problems we haven't even imagined yet? The future of AI? It's only just beginning, and the questions it raises are only growing. This is the story of AI, a story of imagination, innovation, and the endless pursuit of understanding. But the real question is, where will this journey take us next? Curious? Stay tuned, because the future of AI promises even more mysteries waiting to be uncovered. Thanks for watching. Subscribe the channel.